Hello everyone, this is Ashish here and welcome back to Coders Academy. Got a stack of old family photos that are creased, torn or faded. Today we are firing up Google's Gemini to restore them perfectly. Removing creases, fixing the tears and adding some colors without messing up with the vintage era vibes. So let's jump in. We'll begin by going to the gemini.google.com website and uploading our sample image. So upload files. I'll upload the second image of a family, a group of members there. Now I will add my prompt. Add realistic color tones based on the era, keeping skin tones natural and understated. So this is the outcome of the Gemini. So if you look at and compare this with the original image, I don't see a massive improvement and I don't see any color tones there. I just see some sharpness added to the images. So let's try to modify the prompt a bit, but before we do that, let's download the output result. So download. Okay. Now let's modify the earlier prompt a bit. So this is an old and blurry family photo. What improvements would help me to keep the faces and expressions realistic? So we are asking Gemini itself to give us the recommendation. Instead of giving us a recommendation, it's given us an output photo. Clearly not expected. In our second demo, we will try to restore this image which has a lot of crease and worn out and is torn at multiple places. So we'll upload the images. So family photo 1. Remove scratches and dust while preserving the original texture and details. Okay. Oh, wonderful. So you can see the output of Gemini is pretty superior quality. So it has removed the creases which was there in the original image. So if you look at the comparison of images, left one is the original image and in the right one you can see a far superior quality where the creases have been removed and the torn out portion has been restored. Wonderful. So this is the output of the first prompt. Now let's add realistic color tones based on the era, keeping the skin tones natural and understated. Oh, beautiful. So you can see the output is much better. It has added a few color tones to the original image where the lips are red and the cardigan is blue. So if you compare that with the original images, so we started with this image which had a lot of creases and was torn out at multiple places. So we first removed the creases and restored the tone portion and then we added colors to it. Gemini just made photo restoration stupidly easy and accurate. I have restored many family albums this way. It's a game changer. Drop in your before and after in the comment section. Which family pic are you saving next? If you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. All the prompts used in this video are there in the description section. Until then, bye.